I got the starling clubs out. They all come and gather in a tree. Today it's this tree. Thousands of them. And they don't cram and ram into each other. The other day they went into a tiny wee bush. Whee! So beautiful. You didn't get grasp it with the phone. It's like a shower of them over the head. You can almost feel their presence. You can feel their presence. And this has been happening steady at our house, at our place, the last few weeks. An absolute wonder of nature. Didn't grasp it on the camera. It cannot grasp the wonder of it. There's another team coming in. Just thousands of them. When one team leaves, another one comes in. Incredibile. Increíble. There's more of them over there. And off they go.